This is a DDAmanda video on Volt Carbon Technologies. Now this is going to be one of those pick videos where we're going to pick a stock based on, certain things. Stock symbol TORVF on the OTC. When you first look at DDAmanda, this is a different stock here. This is TANH. But I wanted to go over and explain some of this data because it looks really intimidating at first, but it's really not. If you just look at it for a few minutes, it'll all make sense. Here we have, on the right side, we have 200 days of trading data. In the program, you can scroll down and get all 200 days. This just shows the most recent. So you have your date, your actual dollars traded, which is really important. I don't really believe in volume that much. I go by dollars traded. What's the money? The price you closed at, the factor. This is what we use a lot to run our scans and find these stocks, pick them out. The actual volume, the intraday low, high, and open. The percentage up, if she went up, there'll be a number in here. And if she went down, there'll be a number in here. There's some other stuff here I'm not going to get into. You also show your actual book value from the financials in real time. Your price to book ratio, your earnings per share, your EPS, your PE, and your cash ratio, which is, total current assets versus total assets. You've also got 5 days worth of RSI here. This is today, and then, yesterday and the other 4 days ago, all right? And then you have StockTwit's number of followers. It's just a lot of information in one spot, so you don't have to go all over hell and gone to find it. So, and then we have a chart here. If you click on this chart in the program, it'll switch to a 90-day chart. And if you click on it again, it'll show you a real-time daily chart. What's happening in that day, and also what happened today. All right, so this is an explanation of some of this stuff here. So let's get back to the stock we're talking about. Now this had a few high factors down here in September, an 81. Let me get rid of that. So you had an 81 here, and then a 29, a 5 and an 8, and then a 6. But she's not trading a lot of money. Now I happen to know this stock. And just recently here we have a 0106 200-day low, and look at this, double zeros, 200-day low, alert. You can scan for all of this. But let's look at the news on this, because there was some news today. Let's see if I can bring this up to where you guys can see it. Here we go. So they've got this new technology on batteries, a lithium metal battery, and they just reached 1,100 cycles at 80%. Okay, so here's the chart. So this is pretty significant, I think. These guys are gonna go pretty nuts, so I believe. I mean, it's a small company. The TORVF is really the American OTC version of the Canadian company. This is a Canadian company. But anyway, I thought we'd do a video on it because these guys are slowly making progress here, okay? And this is pretty impressive. This is what everybody's working on. And these guys have achieved it here. Lots of cycles, 300 cycles here, and they're in the 90% here. Here's your percent capacity. And they go all the way up to 700 cycles before they start dropping a little bit, but they still stay above 80%. So anyway, getting back to this, like I said, not a lot of money, but we're going to make this a pick here. RSI is 45. Not too high. What else? Nobody's trading it. She's flying under the radar here. So anyway, this is another one that DDAmanda found. This would have showed up on several scans. Definitely the scans down here with these factors. and the 200-day low scan. And if you were on here, you would have put a watch on this anyway, and you would have realized, you would have got that news. And so let's see what happens, okay? And what else? So your drag ratio is pretty nice, 1.33 here. Not too many followers on StockTwits, only 46. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and onward and upward, baby. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus, you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.